Here's a look at a BMW 19, I believe it's 55 to 69 BMW 2 series gas tank shipped into us from Santa Barbara, California. You see the images of what it looked like before, after burn, and then after we're done. So there's these still images and then some video here at the end. Here's a look at this tank. Just came into us from Santa Barbara, California. So check out the filler here on top. Pretty thick filler there, already chipping off, falling off. I'll try to show you inside. Completely nasty. Like, see if you can see in there. It's full of junk. So this one, we're gonna do our pre-clean, and then we'll send it over to the burn oven, go through the burn oven process, then bring it back and start all over again. When we're done, it should be shiny, nice looking metal. Here is a 1955 to 69 BMW 2 fuel tank. So showing you this one from inside the office. So the metal isn't as bright looking as it is when it's outside in the sunshine. But a few things I wanted to show a little differently here. So one is, you can see how clean it is, and you see the before and after the burn oven, and then now totally clean. See all this brazing that was done. So one of the difficult things with fuel tanks, well, actually, the most difficult thing is getting people to understand why we need a vent hole. Everybody wants to tell us how there's already holes in the tank. But you can see I've got a wire here. So we're gonna hang the tank, suspend it to lower it into the chemical. And when we do that, we have to have a hole at the high spot where the air can escape, or as much air as possible. In this case, you can see there ended up being a little hole there, but prior to cleaning, that hole was not there. So we drilled a little hole on each side so that when it's suspended, almost all the air could escape. Okay, so that's the vent hole, showing you that part. Now, one of the things with tanks that's a bit of a challenge, at least to explain, is what you have and what you get back may be two different things. So I'm putting a flashlight in here so you can see. Now what you have is a very clean tank, evident when you look inside there, to the best that we can. Extremely clean, but quite a few holes. So that's why I'm doing this in the office, so it's a little darker. You can see, look at all those holes around there, and then you can see light through down there. Let's see. Check the other side here. So yeah, now that it's clean, you can see definitely some work ahead on this. But that's okay. It is totally clean, fume-free, ready to be welded on. Let's see, I can show you inside there. As clean as we can get it, you can see basically totally clean metal inside there. So again, it's a BMW 55 to 69 BMW 2 fuel tank.